How to transfer Alpha Network coin to Binance. So to transfer Alpha Network coins to Binance, you'll first need to sell your Alpha Network coins on the Alpha Network platform, and then buy the Ethereum cryptocurrency on Binance. And here's how you do it. So first thing you want to do is sell the Alpha Network coins on the Alpha Network platform. So you just follow the specific instructions provided by Alpha Network, then sell your coins. Then what you need to do is buy Ethereum on Binance. So if you don't already have Ethereum or ETH or another supported cryptocurrency, you'll need to purchase it on Binance and then transfer that on your other account, which is the Binance wallet from your Trust wallet. Then from there, you can connect your Trust wallet to a DEX. So choose a DEX that supports Alpha Network like Uniswap, and then connect your Trust wallet to it and then trade the Ethereum for Alpha Network coins. So on the DAX, you'll trade your Ethereum for Alpha Network coins. Then lastly, transfer the Alpha Network coins to Binance. So after acquiring the Alpha Network coins on the DAX, you can transfer them to your Binance account. And if they are supported there, and true to note that Alpha Network coins may not be directly tradable on Binance. And here are some important considerations. So for Binance Alpha, it is a platform for emerging digital assets and does not mean that the coins will be listed on the main Binance exchange. And that's how you can basically transfer Alpha Network coin to Binance in 2025.